Ever feel like your salary disappears the moment it arrives? Like you're stuck in a loop of earning just enough to stay broke? You're not alone. Millions of people in Nigeria and around the world struggle to survive on tight budgets. But what if I told you that with a few simple strategies, you could take control of your money, no matter how small it seems? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to budget your income on a low salary. Whether you're a student, a new employee, or a single parent trying to make ends meet, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. Before we talk about cutting costs or saving, you need to know exactly what you're working with. 1. Know your real income. Your salary is not just what hits your bank account. You need to understand, is your salary fixed or irregular? Do you have deductions, e.g. pension, cooperative savings? Are you getting cash gifts, side income, or allowances? Write this all down. Your total net income is what you're working with. 2. Track all expenses. Yes, all. For the next 30 days, write down everything you spend money on, from data subscription to transport, food, offering in church, and even sachet water. Common expenses include rent or shared accommodation, feeding, groceries plus eating out, transportation, bike, bus, or Bolt, airtime and data, electricity and gas, subscriptions, Netflix, etc. 3. Categorize your expenses. Needs, you can't live without them, food, rent, transport. Wants, you enjoy them but can cut them, eating out, new clothes. Savings and debts, money you're setting aside or using to repay. This first step may feel uncomfortable, especially if you're already struggling, but trust me, it gives you power. When you know where every naira is going, you can decide where it should go instead. Now that you know what's coming in and going out, it's time to build your budget and make it realistic. 1. Use the 50 to 30-20 rule, modified for low income. 50% on needs, rent, food, electricity, transport. 30% on wants, data, entertainment, snacks. 20% on savings or debt, even 500 matters. If your income is really low, you can adjust to 70% needs, 20% savings, 10% wants. 2. Zero-based budgeting. This means giving every naira a job before the month begins. Example, income, 80,000, rent, 20,000, food, 20,000, transport, savings, 5,000, data airtime, 4,000, miscellaneous, 3,000. Total equals 80,000. 3. Use budgeting tools or paper. If you like apps, Mint, Why Need a Budget, or Good Budget. If not, use a notebook or Excel sheet. The key is consistency. Don't write a budget once and forget it. Review and adjust weekly or monthly. The more you practice, the better you'll become at it. When your income is small, cutting costs can feel like punishment, but it doesn't have to. The goal is not to suffer, it's to spend smarter. Here's how. 1. Feed yourself without breaking the bank. Cook at home more often. Eating out may seem cheaper in the moment, but it adds up. Buy in bulk. Gari, rice, beans, and seasoning are cheaper in larger quantities. Shop local markets instead of supermarkets. They're more affordable. Plan meals weekly to avoid waste. 2. Slash transport costs. Combine trips. Instead of going out 3 times a week, plan ahead and do it all at once. Carpool or bike if possible. Use buses instead of ride-hailing apps when you can. 3. Rethink data and airtime. Most of us overspend here. Track how much you actually use and downgrade your plan if needed. Connect to Wi-Fi in public places safely or set app limits on streaming or Instagram to reduce usage. 4. Cut necessary subscriptions. Do you need Netflix and Prime Video? Look for free or shared accounts. Even YouTube has tons of free content if you're trying to learn or entertain yourself on a budget. 5. Be energy smart. Switch off lights and appliances you're not using. Use energy-saving bulbs. Cook once and store food to reduce gas usage. 6. DIY what you can. Learn to fix simple things, buttons, torn clothes, or basic home repairs. Use YouTube to learn rather than always calling a professional. Mindset tip. Cutting back doesn't mean you're poor. It means you're wise. Rich people budget too. What matters is that you're building habits now that can grow with you. You might be thinking, how can I save when my salary can't even cover everything? Let's be clear, savings isn't about how much you earn, it's about being intentional. Even saving $200 per day adds up. 1. Save first, not last. The common mistake is spending everything and hoping something remains. Instead, once your salary drops, set aside your savings first. even if it's just $2,000 a month. 2. Use a separate account or app. Open a savings account you don't touch easily, or use platforms like PiggyVest, Cowrywise, or even a local thrift, a Joisusu group. Automate savings if possible, so you don't have to think about it. 3. Set a small goal. Don't say I want to save 1 million when you can't save through 1,000. Instead, this month, I'll save 3,000. Then next month, try 5,000. 4. Emergency fund is priority. Try to build a small emergency fund, 10K, 20K at first. It helps you avoid taking loans when sudden problems show up. 5. Use the 1% rule. Save 1% of every cash inflow, salary, side hustle, even birthday money. Over time, this builds a saving habit. 6. Celebrate small wins. Saving 5,000 this month is better than saving nothing. Reward yourself with a small treat, not a big one, when you hit a target. Remember this. Wealthy people aren't the ones who earn the most. They're the ones who keep the most. Saving builds confidence, reduces stress, and prepares you for opportunities. Let's be honest. Living on a low income isn't easy, but creating a budget, cutting back, and saving small amounts can truly change your life over time. You may not see results overnight, but with consistency, even the tightest budget can become the start of financial freedom. Final advice. 1. Avoid debt traps. Oh, not all debt is bad, but be careful. Oh, stay away from high-interest loans, e.g. loan apps that chase you with texts and shame messages. Only borrow when it's absolutely necessary and have a repayment plan. 2. Start small, but stay consistent. Oh, budgeting is not about perfection. It's about progress. Oh, even if you mess up this month, reset next month and keep going. 3. Look for extra income. Oh, budgeting helps you manage your money, but adding a little more income can change the game. Consider freelancing online, writing, design, virtual assistant work, selling small items, thrift snacks, or handmade crafts, teaching or tutoring in your free time. 4. Get accountability. Oh, share your goal with a trusted friend or family member. Join budget groups on WhatsApp, Facebook, or Telegram for tips and motivation. Sometimes, just knowing someone's checking on your progress helps you stay on track. 5. Practice gratitude. Oh, even when things are tight, don't lose hope. Be proud that you're taking control of your money. It's a bold and powerful move. Focus on what you have, not just what's missing. Now that you know how to budget your income, here's your challenge. Start today. Track what you spend, create a simple budget, and save even a little. And if this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly financial tips made for Nigerians and people living on a tight budget. Let's grow together, 1 naira at a time.